What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Gary. How you guys doing today? Well, as you can see here, I was getting ready to go play some golf today, but then I came out here and I found a little surprise. My tire is flat. It is completely flat, and so I'm gonna have to get this fixed before I can go anywhere. I already see the culprit. The culprit is this screw right here, and I'm gonna have to get that screw out and actually fix the tire. So here's a new video. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix a flat tire at home. Do it yourself. We're gonna do that in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Couple of things you're going to need to do this is a tire plug kit. I also have a spray bottle with some liquid detergent in it, and I'll show you what that's used for later. Alright, this is why I use a bottle with the dishwashing detergent in it, or liquid detergent in it, because once you spray it on the place or the leak, it'll start to make bubbles, and you can check the rest of your tire to make sure there's no more leaks in it. There were 3 components in the package that I purchased. The first component is your rasp, and that's used to roughen up the puncture and remove excess debris. Then you have your rubber material that you actually use to plug the hole in the tire. And then you have the tool that you use to insert the rubber material into the puncture. I'm going to use the rasp to roughen up the hole and clean out any excess debris. Make sure that before you do that you know exactly where that hole is. So I'm going to spray a little bit more of my solution on it to make sure that I am not creating a different hole. All right, so in the next step, we're going to take one of these pieces of rubber material, the plug material, and we are going to insert it into the eye of the needle. It says to make sure you insert it so it's even on both sides. About right there is perfect. So our next step is to insert the plug material about 2/3 of the way into the hole and then pull the tool straight out. Next, the instructions say trim off the excess, but I like to leave a little on. Make sure there's no leaks. Secure your tire and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps someone.